In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges in your Brother MFC J1260w printer. Ink chamber is just on this side. Pull it forward. Press the button here, so you will see there is a button to press and the ink cartridge will come out. Press for all the ink cartridges. Take your new ink cartridge, place it here just like this, push it in. You will hear a lock sound, that means we have installed it properly. Just do it for all the 4 ink cartridges and it just takes only few seconds, and that is the last one. Close this chamber. Wait for the printer to recognize the ink and we are ready to use it. Thanks for watching.